You are watching Bitbns News.
Today's headlines: Bitcoin has processed more value than PayPal this year. Cardano founder addresses liquidity concern over eToro delisting. Adidas finds its first crypto partners with Coinbase and the Sandbox. MetaWars Launchpad revolutionizing the GameFi industry with the first cross-game Metaverse Launchpad. Metaverse token trend accelerates. Sand and Mana skyrocket on the weekly. Kazakhstan could turn to nuclear power to support Bitcoin miners. Shiba Inu official Twitter account releases mysterious clip. Here's what it might be. Fashion Street Estate in Decentraland purchased for 618,000 mana in record-breaking sale. The Bitcoin network processed 62% more value in dollars than PayPal this year, according to a report by Block Data. The firm also analyzed the volume transacted in the MasterCard and Visa networks. Although Bitcoin currently lags behind the credit card firms, the report explored possible paths for the peer-to-peer network to overtake them. So far this year, Bitcoin transacted an estimated average of $489 billion per quarter, whereas PayPal amounted to an average of $302 billion. MasterCard and Visa, on the other hand, still lead the pack with $1.8 trillion and $3.2 trillion processed per quarter on average, respectively. Panic had washed over the Cardano community after the news broke that mid-side exchange eToro would be delisting the token alongside Tron. The announcement came as a surprise and users milled onto social media to try to get explanations after receiving the email alerts. eToro had not given much of an explanation besides regulatory concerns, which did not do much to quell the panic. Many had worried that the delisting was a result of low liquidity. Given this, there had been the need for some clarification. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson took to Twitter to address these concerns, assuring investors that liquidity had nothing to do with delisting and soothing nerves. Adidas has made a splash into crypto, establishing a partnership with Coinbase as well as with Metaverse playground, the Sandbox, this week. The deals have a limited amount of details thus far and immerse the powerhouse apparel brand into its first major foray into crypto and blockchain technology. The move is likely to be Adidas' initial step into the Metaverse apparel, an increasing topic that has been engaged in by way of high fashion brand thus far. MetaWars is the first project to unite the world of metaverses with the first of its kind MetaWars Launchpad portal. For the first time, players will be able to build portals that transfer characters, currencies, and assets between game worlds. This builds on Meta, previously known as Facebook, and enhances their vision. With the MetaWars Launchpad, players can mine for different cryptocurrencies from different multiverses, injecting additional play-to-earn features. It's positioned to become the main way new people enter into the blockchain economy and the best way to break into the mainstream. Play-to-earn and Metaverse tokens are popping off. Leading the way seems to be Sand and Mana, both of which saw massive weekly gains. It's been an exciting few days for Metaverse aficionados, especially when it comes to valuations across the cryptocurrency board. While the broader market is rather shaky and indecisive, with a few exceptions of course, play-to-earn and Metaverse tokens are popping off. Looking at CoinMarketCap's Metaverse board tells us that more than 80% of the projects that have something to do with this topic are trading in the green on a weekly basis. Amongst the leaders, especially in the past couple of days, is the Sandbox. The cryptocurrency is up over 110% in the week, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Trading above $8 and setting new highs daily, it is also the third biggest play-to-earn token in terms of market capitalization. Kazakhstan is considering turning to a nuclear power to address the issues faced by power grid due to the influx of Bitcoin miners into the country after the Chinese ban on cryptocurrencies. The exodus of miners from China to Kazakhstan has led to a significant crisis in the latter's power grid, with mining operations eating up a significant chunk of energy, an 8% increase in consumption. Kazakhstan has seen a significant jump of 8% in domestic electricity consumption in 2021, a jump that has been attributed to the influx of Bitcoin miners from China. According to data sourced from the Financial Times, Kazakhstan has received 87,849 Bitcoin mining rigs from Chinese companies during the current year. This follows China's crackdown on crypto, and we could see this number rise. The official Twitter account of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has posted a teaser of a short clip with numerous references to the token. The video contains many hints about what is next for the meme token that went through a 180% growth cycle recently. The first half of the presented teaser shows nothing but light bulbs that are progressively lighting up. The process is looking more like a pre-presentation of a future release or even a partnership. Right after the scene with the large light bulbs, the screen fades out and we are able to see two letters that look like W and V combined into one symbol. Both letters do not figure into the name of the token or its ecosystem. A sought-after plot of land in Decentraland has been sold for an estimated $2.4 million in cryptocurrency, as Decentraland monthly users are expected to reach an all-time high of 300,000 this month. It is not surprising that so many individuals and organizations want a piece of the action. The momentum is steadily building for Metaverse projects the last month, and it's getting mega attention thanks to a number of recent developments. One well-known Web 2.0 figure jumped in headfirst, claiming the very term meta.